Welcome to MetaGen, your source for the latest advancements in technology and virtual reality. In today's episode, we delve into the highly anticipated MetaQuest 3, the successor to the immensely popular MetaQuest 2. Join us as we explore what we can expect from this groundbreaking VR headset. The official name of the upcoming VR headset from Meta has been shrouded in secrecy. However, based on the statements made by Meta's executives, it's highly likely that the device will be called the MetaQuest 3. Mark Zuckerberg referred to it as the next generation of our consumer Quest headset, while Chief Technology Officer Andrew Bosworth called it the successor to the MetaQuest 2. These informal announcements strongly suggest that the MetaQuest 3 is indeed the name that they're referring to. The official name is expected to be revealed during the official launch, adding to the anticipation surrounding this groundbreaking device. As for the release date of the MetaQuest 3, we can look to Meta's previous release patterns for a clue. Meta typically unveils new VR hardware at their annual Meta Connect event, which usually takes place in September or October. Following the event, the new hardware is made available for purchase shortly after. Based on this pattern, we anticipate that the MetaQuest 3 will hit the market in the fall of 2023, allowing VR enthusiasts to get their hands on this exciting new technology. Before we dive deeper into the MetaQuest 3, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the latest tech innovations. Don't miss out. Now, let's address the burning question that everyone wants to know. How much will the MetaQuest 3 cost? While the final price has not yet been announced, Mark Zuckerberg has provided some hints. He suggested a price range of $300 to $500, positioning the MetaQuest 3 as a more affordable option compared to the higher-priced MetaQuest Pro, which is currently priced at $999. This price range makes the MetaQuest 3 accessible to a broader consumer market, allowing more people to experience the wonders of virtual reality. Stay tuned for the official launch of the MetaQuest 3, where we will finally learn its official name and get a clear picture of its features and capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news and developments in the world of virtual reality. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any exciting updates. One of the key focuses of the highly anticipated MetaQuest 3 is the integration of mixed reality, a technology that combines virtual and real-world elements to create a seamless and immersive experience. Meta, the company behind the MetaQuest 3, has developed their own mixed reality system called Meta Reality, which will be at the forefront of this cutting-edge VR headset. With the internal codename Stinson, the MetaQuest 3 aims to redefine the way users interact with both the virtual and real worlds. Mark Zuckerberg himself has confirmed that mixed reality will be a significant selling point of the device, signaling a new era in immersive experiences. The MetaQuest 3 will feature a smart guardian system that assists users in navigating their real-world surroundings while wearing the headset. This technology ensures that users can move effortlessly through their own homes, providing a sense of confidence and comfort. Whether it's walking through hallways, placing objects on a desk, or even enjoying a cup of coffee, the MetaQuest 3 aims to enhance the user's VR experience by seamlessly integrating with their physical environment. Mark Rabkin, Meta's vice president for VR, expressed the team's vision for the MetaQuest 3 during a leaked Meta presentation. He emphasized that the mixed reality experience should feel better, easier, and more natural from the moment the user puts on the headset. The MetaQuest 3 aims to create a sense of immersion that allows users to engage with the virtual world while staying connected to the real one. Are you ready to step into a new dimension of reality with the MetaQuest 3? Stay tuned for more updates on its features, capabilities, and official launch. The MetaQuest 3 is not only about advances in hardware, its software capabilities are equally impressive. Users can expect a wide range of software support, including all the applications and games available for the MetaQuest 2. However, it's important to note that not all software developed for the MetaQuest 3 may be compatible with its predecessor, the MetaQuest 2. In addition to the existing software library, Meta has been strategically acquiring VR studios since late 2019. This signals a strong lineup of in-house productions that are likely to be optimized for the MetaQuest 3. Launch titles are anticipated to showcase the full potential of the headset, including highly anticipated games like GTA San Andreas and Assassin's Creed Nexus. According to reports, Meta plans to ship a total of 41 new apps and games specifically designed for the MetaQuest 3. These include not only traditional virtual reality experiences, but also new mixed reality experiences that leverage the enhanced hardware capabilities of the headset. Users can look forward to immersive and engaging content that takes full advantage of the MetaQuest 3's upgraded features. As excitement builds for the MetaQuest 3, leaks and rumors have started to surface, shedding light on the potential features of this highly anticipated VR headset. Notably, hardware analyst and YouTuber Bradley Lynch has shared CAD blueprints that provide insights into the device's design and specifications. Given Lynch's track record and accurate leaks in the past, there's a good chance that these details are indeed true. According to the leaked blueprints, one notable improvement in the MetaQuest 3 is its form factor. The headset appears to be thinner and smaller than its predecessor, indicating a sleeker and more comfortable design. This refinement aligns with Meta's continuous efforts to enhance user experience. Additionally, reports suggest that MetaQuest 3 will feature Meta's new pancake lenses, which were first introduced in the MetaQuest Pro. These lenses offer a significant improvement in image quality, resulting in a much sharper and more immersive visual experience for users. Another exciting possibility is the introduction of color pass-through. The blueprints reveal pill-shaped indentations in the front of the headset, likely housing a set of cameras. This configuration suggests that MetaQuest 3 may offer high-quality color pass-through, allowing users to see and interact with their real-world environment while wearing the headset. However, it's worth noting that the absence of sensors for gaze and face tracking in the construction plans is surprising, given their previous mention as high-priority technologies by Mark Zuckerberg. In terms of display technology, the MetaQuest 3 is rumored to feature 2 liquid crystal displays, indicating a potential upgrade over the single display found in the MetaQuest 2. The leaked blueprints also showcase a dial that allows users to adjust the lens and display distance, providing a customizable and optimized viewing experience. Finally, there's speculation that MetaQuest 3 might be powered by a new Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip. This next-generation chip is expected to bring a significant performance boost, including improvements in GPU capabilities and AI computing, crucial for enhanced mixed reality experiences. Although Qualcomm has yet to unveil this new SoC, it aligns with Meta's commitment to delivering powerful and cutting-edge hardware. While leaks and rumors provide tantalizing glimpses into the MetaQuest 3, we eagerly await the official unveiling and confirmation of its features. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and updates on the MetaQuest 3 and other exciting developments in the world of virtual reality. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore realms and embark on thrilling adventures with the MetaQuest 3. If you enjoyed our video, please make sure to leave a like and tell us in the comments what you are looking forward to in the new headset. To recap, the MetaQuest 3 holds great promise as the successor to the MetaQuest 2. With its focus on mixed reality, a vast software library, and potential hardware upgrades, this VR headset is set to revolutionize the way we experience virtual worlds. From its official name and expected release window to its price range and software capabilities, we've covered the essential details of the MetaQuest 3. Stay tuned in for more exciting updates on AItopia, where we bring you the future today. Interested in what's been happening with Elon Musk and his Neuralink? Then make sure to check out our next video. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey. Remember to like this video and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring the realms of AI and virtual reality.